we play a role as stewards, as maintainers of this planet that we live on. And I think people can either assume a very passive role or say there might be ways that we can do that maintenance intentionally. Engineering to me feels like, how do we intentionally make changes towards specific outcomes? And in this case, it's how do we make potentially changes towards a world that is habitable, towards ecosystems that are protected, towards the ability for people to thrive. There isn't going to be a single decision. There's going to be a series of decisions. We think it is very different to say we want to do an experiment to reduce or resolve critical uncertainties than to say we are actually trying to cool the planet. What is impressive about what's happening here at Chicago is how explicit it is in its focus. Climate systems engineering, climate intervention, sunlight reflection, solar radiation modification. There are pockets of this research happening in many different places. And in many places, I think they've been somewhat obscured. This has been a controversial topic for a long time, but I think increasingly people are reckoning with it as a potentially necessary piece of this climate puzzle and having the courage to say, this is an important field of study. And, we are going to hire faculty and, bring in postdocs and cultivate cohorts of future kind of contributors to the field is really valuable and really needed.